policy. Welcome to WART Warrior TV. I'm Josh Collins. Today is April 10th, 2013, and this is your world news. An unseasonable cold air mass brought ice, heavy snow, and high winds to the plains and parts of the Midwest on Wednesday on its way to spawning potentially severe thunderstorms in the Ohio and Mississippi valleys. The cold air, being pulled south from the Arctic region by a deep southward dip in the jet stream, is crashing into warm air, producing disturbances, some of them odd. They include a thunder and ice storm that quickly coated Sioux Falls, South Dakota, in a crystalline layer that brought down the tree limbs, left cars encased. The storm was having significant effects on travel. Ice, snow, and sub-zero wind chills have made even interstate highways in the plains and Midwest treacherous. South Dakota has been hit already and is likely to continue to see snow accumulating up to 20 inches, the National Weather Service said. Interstate 90 between Rapid City and Sioux Falls was closed Tuesday night. In Denver, snow set in and more than 250 flights were canceled. Monday and Tuesday at Denver International Airport as the temperature dropped from 71 to 14 degrees. In Chicago, where low ceilings set in ahead of the storm, 290 flights were canceled Tuesday at O'Hare International Airport. In Wyoming, stretches of Interstates 25 and 80 were closed for parts Tuesday, and blowing snow made driving dangerous along other highways. About 180 miles of I-25 between Cheyenne and Casper were under whiteout conditions. In eastern Nebraska, strong wind gusts caused 21 cars of freight train to derail Tuesday west of North Bend, adding that no injuries were reported. The Midwest appears to be the storm's current winter weather target, with up to a foot of snow expected by Friday in southern Minnesota and northern Wisconsin. Less than 2 weeks after Chinese officials released the genetic sequence of a new type of bird flu, U.S. vaccine experts are well on the way to making a vaccine to protect people against it. There's no evidence the H7N9 virus would ever threaten the U.S. It's been diagnosed in fewer than 30 people, all restricted to eastern China. People don't appear to be infected one another, at least not in large numbers, but it's already killed 9 of them and authorities are not sure precisely where it's coming from. Worse, it doesn't seem to be making birds sick, which means authorities don't have telltale die-offs of poultry to warn them when it's circulating. And it takes months to make influenza vaccines, so every day may count. It's just the kind of situation that flu experts have been rehearsing for. They hope to do better than in 2009, when it took until October to deliver the first vaccines against the pandemic of H1N1 swine flu. The virus was identified in March. 6 long months ticked by with the virus spreading and no vaccine. The U.S. government was battered by criticism from confused Americans who tried hard to get flu vaccine but couldn't, and then gave up trying just about the time that vaccines started being produced and delivered in quantity. Vaccine makers end up throwing away about 70 million doses. 2 seasonal flu vaccines that use new technology approved within the past 6 months should help speed up the process. That new technology can be used to make other vaccines, including one to protect against H7N9. And Dr. Robin Robinson of the Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority, or BARDA, part of the Health and Human Services Department, says H7N9 is giving his department the chance for what he hopes will be a dry run. Now let's go to the tab with a look at our weather update.
Thank you. Thank you for tuning in for the weather update. I'm Tap Cole, and let's get started by looking at some early morning conditions in our area. As of 7:15 a.m. at the Warsaw Municipal Airport, the weather is overcast with a temperature of 54 degrees. The relative humidity is at 94% with winds out of the east by southeast blowing at 7 miles per hour. The barometric pressure is 29.83 and the dew point is at 52 degrees. No wind today and the visibility is about 4 miles. Now looking at some more current temperatures in our local area. We have Rochester at 65 degrees, Warsaw at 55 degrees, South Bend at 51, Goshen at 52, Elkhart at 50, and La Grange is at 49 degrees. Now taking a look at the next few days. Today it will not be as warm with scattered showers at times and maybe a thunderstorm. Our high for the day will be around 60 degrees with the winds blowing out of the northeast at 7 to 14 miles per hour. By the night we will have cloudy skies with rain. It could be heavy at times with the possibility of a thunderstorm. Look for our low to be around 45 degrees with winds coming out of the east blowing 10 to 20 miles per hour. As we move into Thursday we should see cloudy skies and cooler temps with occasional rain. The high will be around 52 degrees. Then in the evening hours look for temperatures to drop to the mid to upper 30s. Moving to Friday we will have mostly cloudy skies with light rain and even a few snowflakes possible. The high for the day will be around 43 degrees. Then Friday night look for the temps to drop to the low 30s. We will not see temperatures back around normal till Sunday. This wraps up your morning weather. Now let's take it back to the newsroom for the rest of your daily announcements.
Thank you, Tab. I'm Garrett Balser, and these are your daily announcements. Congratulations to the Wawasee FFA chapter who won the Ag Olympics competition against Warsaw and Northwood last night. There will be a prom committee meeting this Friday in Mrs. Miller's room at 7:30 a.m. sharp. Please be there. Our decorator is coming to discuss details. Prom seats and glass seat sets will go on sale on Monday, April 15th during your lunch period. Be on the lookout for the prom signs to get yourself signed up. Warriors, the reading team has planned another Warrior Time reading competition for the month of April. Now through April 30th, the Wawasee Time class, Warrior Time class that reads the most pages, fills the most stadium seats, will win a pizza party. Example, if Mrs. Zinel's Warrior Time students read the most pages per student during the month of March, so her Warrior Time students receive a pizza party. Since Warrior Time classes are of varying size, the total pages read will be divided by the students in the class. No matter how small or large your class is, you all have an equal chance of winning. Let's work together to fill the stadiums, Warriors. The Lakeland Art Association is offering scholarships to seniors who wish to further their studies in art at college or in art school. To qualify for this scholarship competition, seniors submit their artwork on Saturday, April 20th at the Lakeland Art Gallery in Pearson, Indiana. Additional information and applications can be found in the scholarship drawer in the guidance office. Extended deadline, Adele Jordan Phillips Memorial Scholarship has extended their deadline to April 15th of this year. This scholarship is a one-time scholarship of $500 given to a graduate each year from Wawasee High School. You must complete the Wawasee Scholarship application and return it to the guidance office by this date. Extended deadline of April 15th for the Owen Family Funeral Home Scholarship. Applicants must be graduating seniors of Wawasee High School who plan to pursue a career in mortuary science or healthcare field would be acceptable. Decision based on 8.0 or above GPA and financial need. Applicants in the scholarship drawer. Indiana University School of Dentistry will host a presentation and tours on Saturday, April 13th at 9 a.m. to noon for anyone interested in pursuing a career as a dental assistant. The dental assisting program will give tours and provide information about both the campus and the distant learning programs. The participants will have ample opportunity to ask questions. See the flyer on the bulletin board outside the guidance office for details. Seniors, explore a career in education. Indiana State University and the Department of Elementary, Early and Special Education invite you to Indiana State's Summer Honors Program from July 21st through the 27th of this year. Experience teaching firsthand by designing and leading elementary lessons for a summer program on the campus of ISU. To learn more, see the flyer posted on the bulletin board outside the guidance office or visit their website at indstate.edu/experience. And in sports, attention athletes that are not currently in a sport. The fitness room is now open for you from 3:15 to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. And for today's lunch, general TSO with veggies and cold sub, and choose up to 3, a side salad with toppings, fresh fruit and milk, and a whole grain rice slushie and a slushie. Breakfast, tomorrow a sausage, gravy and biscuit. And in case of a 2-hour delay, we will now serve breakfast but no hot items. And from all of us here at WART TV Warrior News, have a wonderful Wednesday, Wawasee.